making today's headlines. The Ministry of Health is monitoring a new COVID variant and says the public should not be alarmed. The 2025 Atlantic hurricane season officially begins this Sunday, June 1st. The Sister Islands showcase local artists at Cayman Art Week's Sister Islands Stop and District Trials are happening for prospective flag football players beginning on May 31st. Good evening and welcome to CIGtv News, the official source for the latest and most accurate government news. I'm Levita Thompson. Thank you for tuning in. Health officials are monitoring a new COVID variant, but says there's no cause for alarm. The Ministry of Health is tracking variant NB181, which the World Health Organization designated as a variant under monitoring on May 23rd. Chief Medical Officer Dr. Nick Gent says the ministry is not concerned about this variant's impact. While it will likely reach the Cayman Islands given the community's transient nature, there are no reports that it causes more severe illness than any other COVID strains.
Given the transient nature of our community, it is highly likely that this variant will arrive in Cayman. However, there are no reports that illness caused by this new variant are more severe than other strains. I also note that currently approved COVID-19 vaccines are expected to remain effective to this variant against symptomatic and severe disease.
Health officials remind the public that good hygiene practices, regular hand washing, covering mouth and nose when ill, and staying current with seasonal COVID vaccinations remain the best protection against the virus. For more information or vaccination schedules, visit www.hsa.ky or call the Public Health Department at 244-2621 or 244-2889. The 2025 Atlantic hurricane season is just days away, beginning this Sunday, June 1st. The Cayman Islands Government, under the leadership of Hazard Management Cayman Islands, has urged preparedness throughout the month of May. Preparedness Month activities included pop-ups at hardware stores throughout the Cayman Islands to guide shoppers who need to replenish or build hurricane stock for their properties. HMCI is extending its emergency preparedness outreach through June as the Atlantic hurricane season officially begins. Deputy Director Mark Codling says the extended timeline gives residents more support to prepare for increasingly frequent and unpredictable weather systems. HMCI emphasizes that every household should maintain a basic emergency kit year-round. Essential supplies include 1 gallon of water per person daily for up to a week's worth of non-perishable food, a battery-powered radio, flashlights with extra batteries, first aid supplies, prescription medications, hygiene items, waterproof document storage, fuel, cash, and any special needs items for infants, the elderly, family members, or pets. For more information, visit caymanprepared.ky. Artists of the Sister Islands were celebrated during the recent Cayman Art Week events. The Cayman Brac exhibition began at Gordon Solomon's Art Studio, where art created by local and international artists in various mediums was displayed. Later in the week featured an art tour of Cayman Brac, including Heritage House, Nims Things and Simone Studio, Eldemeyer House, and the Gordon Solomon Studio. In Little Cayman, they also hosted a mini tour, including the National Trust, Seahorse Boutique, and the Little Cayman Museum. If you attended any of the Cayman Art Week events, organizers are seeking feedback on your experience. To do so, visit caymanartweek.com. And now for today's sports news. The Cayman Islands Flag Football Association is inviting newcomers to experience the fast-paced, non-contact sport through a series of showcase events across the islands. Flag football, which eliminates tackling by having players pull fabric flags from opponents' belts, has been growing in popularity as an accessible alternative to traditional American football. The sport emphasizes speed, agility, and strategy over physical contact, making it appealing to a wider range of participants. 4 district sessions are scheduled throughout June, starting tomorrow at the Webb Primary Field from 3 to 5 p.m. Additional showcases will be held June 7th at the Annex Field, June 14th at Hague Bodden Field, and June 21st at Old Man Bay Field. The events are designed for anyone curious about the sport, regardless of experience or level. Participants can learn the basic rules, try their hand at flag pulling techniques, and get a feel for the game's unique rhythm and flow. Follow CIFFA 345 on Instagram for more details. Let's have a brief look now at our weather forecast for this weekend. Tonight, we can expect partly cloudy skies with just a 20% chance of showers. Temperatures will drop to the low 80s with light easterly winds at 5 to 10 knots. Seas remain calm with wave heights of 1 to 3 feet. A weak pressure gradient is keeping conditions generally settled across the Northwest Caribbean, with only isolated showers moving through the area. Current radar shows these scattered showers drifting westward. Looking ahead, cloudiness and shower activity are expected to increase Sunday afternoon as a tropical wave approaches the Cayman Islands area. Winds will continue from the east to southeast overnight, maintaining these relatively quiet conditions before weather patterns begin to shift this weekend. For local weather updates, be sure to visit the Cayman Islands National Weather Service website, weather.gov.ky, and follow their Facebook page for the most reliable coverage. If you're watching us on the CIG YouTube channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay informed with the most accurate local government news. That wraps up today's CIG News Brief. I'm Levita Thompson. We'll see you on Monday for more of the latest from CIG. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the rest of your evening and have a wonderful weekend.